My name is Lee Goldstein. I'm the trading director at 10 Minute Trades. Today I made an appointment with the market for 10 o'clock this morning, and I was looking to trade a report called the ISM manufacturing report. It's a holiday week, so the size of my trade was smaller, meaning I wasn't risking as much money, but I still felt that this is one of our prime trades. It's very, very successful almost every month of the year, more than 75% profitable. And I wanted to take the trade even though there was a little bit of extra risk because of holiday trading volumes and other issues with world events. We were trading gold. Our software automatically puts the orders on the chart before the news is released, as you'll see that happen in a moment. It's a way that our software keeps you safe. There's my orders. And instantly, as the news is released, the price of gold exploded to the upside. And there's a reason why it happened that way. But the ISM manufacturing news was negative. When there's negative news, it usually causes gold to burst in an upward manner. It pulled me into the market, long, which is up. And in a matter of a second or two, I was profitable $240 on the trade. It was so fast, I'd like to show it to you one more time. Now, the beauty of the trade is that even though it was fast, and you might think that that means it's scary and riskier, our software, as you can see here, has placed the orders on the chart without me doing anything. That was completely automatic. I just watched then as the news came out. My targets disappeared because they were already filled before you can even blink. In other words, my targets were hit in a moment, and I left the trade with a profit of $240, like I said, in a matter of seconds. I was not alone in the trade room. In fact, we had a very large number of people. 99% of everyone in the trade room made money today. There was some slippage on the trade, and one person had an issue where it prevented them from getting out of the trade fast enough. But 99% of all the traders made very nice money on the trade. And I just want to preview two of our favorite traders who always send me great screenshots. One of our traders, Ralph had an excellent trade. Actually, Enrico first. Enrico had an excellent trade of $2,420 profits. That was in a matter of seconds. And then Ralph, one of our other favorite traders as well, who's doing really well with our system, he had a $520 profit also in a matter of seconds. I can't imagine why you wouldn't want to trade with us. So let me put up a little screen, what you could do to get involved with our company, 10minutetrades.com. This is Lee Goldstein, the trading director, and we would love to see you in the trade room. You can go to our website, www.10minutetrades.com, and you can get a free weekly report every Sunday of all the events, all the appointments we make with the market each coming week. So you could follow along and see how we do, and definitely get involved in this incredible trading system.